The Amazon Basics non-stick pans offer a simple solution for everyday cooking. This set includes an 8-inch pan and a 10-inch pan. They both feature a non-stick coating. This helps food slide off easily. Also, it makes cleaning simpler. The construction feels decent for the price. These pans can be a good starting point. They meet basic cooking requirements. These Amazon Basics non-stick pans are quite user-friendly. The non-stick capability is helpful. It is especially useful when cooking delicate foods. Think about eggs or fish. The handles are made of rubber. This provides a comfortable grip. You can maneuver the pans easily. They are lightweight, and this can be an advantage. However, they might not have the heft of more expensive pans. For basic cooking tasks, they perform adequately. In review, the Amazon Basics non-stick pans are a budget-friendly option. They are suitable for simple cooking. Do not expect professional-grade performance. However, for the price, they offer good value. They are easy to clean, and the non-stick surface is convenient. If your diet involves simple meals, these pans could be a fit. They aren't fancy, yet they get the job done. Consider these Amazon Basics non-stick pans for your basic kitchen needs. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, good value, durable build, heats evenly, 2 useful sizes. Sturdy handles, induction ready, looks good, well-priced. Cons: may stick over time, non-stick fades, uneven heating possible, not for high heat, lids not included. Basic quality, handle can get hot, cleaning can be tricky, durability questioned. Might warp easily. Features: 2 fry pans, non-stick coating, stainless steel 8-inch size 10-inch size, Amazon Basics. 2 pieces, fry pan set, durable, easy to clean. The Amazon Basics 2-piece non-stick stainless steel fry pan set comes with 2 fry pans, one 8-inch and one 10-inch. They are made of stainless steel with a non-stick coating, which helps food not stick and makes them easy to clean. This set from Amazon Basics gives you 2 useful sizes of fry pans. They are made to last and simple to wash. This Amazon Basics set includes 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick stainless steel frying pans that are easy to clean and offer good value. They are built to be durable and heat food evenly, working on induction cooktops and looking nice. However, the non-stick might wear out over time, and uneven heating could happen. These pans are not ideal for very high heat, don't come with lids, and are of basic quality. The handles can get hot, and cleaning might sometimes be tricky, with some concerns about long-term durability and potential warping.